In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Slack connection in Make.com. We'll connect Slack to Make and set up a trigger that watches messages in a public channel. This is perfect if you want to automate notifications, logging, or downstream workflows when someone posts in a specific Slack channel. Have your Make account open and make sure you're logged into the Slack workspace you plan to use. Start on the Make dashboard. From here, open a new automation by selecting Create Scenario. This gives you a blank canvas where you can add apps and modules. In the app search, type Slack. You'll see the Slack app appear. Select it to open the list of available actions and triggers. Choose the module called Watch Public Channel Messages. This module listens for new posts in a public Slack channel and sends them into your scenario. When you add it, Make will prompt you to connect Slack. Click Create a Connection. A dialog appears where you can name the connection so it's easy to recognize later. Something descriptive tied to the workspace is helpful. Click Save to proceed. You'll be redirected to Slack's authorization page. Here, review the requested permissions, confirm you're on the correct workspace if you belong to multiple, and then click Allow. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the window so the authorization can complete. If your organization requires admin approval for new apps or connections, you may need to request it before proceeding. After authorization, you'll return to Make to finish configuring the module. First, select an input method. If you're browsing channels, choose the option to select from a list. If you already know a channel's ID and prefer to map it, you can choose that method instead. Next, pick the public channel you want to monitor. Only public channels will appear here. If you need a private channel, ensure the Slack app has access or use a module designed for private channels. When your selections look right, click Save to store the module settings. Make will now ask where to start. This controls how far back the trigger should look. You can start from now to capture only new messages, or choose a specific point if you want to include recent history. Pick the option that matches your use case, confirm the choice, and click Save. That's it, you've connected Slack to Make and configured the Watch Public Channel Messages trigger. From here, you can continue building your scenario with filters, actions, or data storage to complete your automation.